Hello everyone, welcome to ERDAS Imagine tutorials. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to convert a shapefile into an AOI file in ERDAS Imagine. As you can see here, I have opened both the data as well as the shapefile in the ERDAS Imagine 2014 version. The outer one, which is the bigger image here, this is the Landsat image, and the smaller one, which is shown in the yellow color, this is the shapefile. To convert a shapefile into an area of interest file, click on the shapefile, go to Home, click on the copy icon here, then right-click on the image outside the shapefile, select New AOI layer. Now come here and select the Paste from Selected Object option. And when you do that, you can see a discontinuous outline appears across the perimeter of the shapefile. This indicates that the conversion operation is successful. Now go to the AOI file created, click on it, go to File, select Save As, select the AOI layer and save wherever you want. Make sure the file type is selected as AOI, click OK. This completes the shapefile to AOI file conversion. To make sure it is correctly done, you can come back and deselect these two Landsat as well as the shapefile options. Now you see the outer line here indicates the conversion is successful. Right. That is how you convert a shapefile into an AOI file. If you like this video, kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on ERDAS Imagine tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.